Bro?
190, you want to get us some cars here?
I'm letting you know.
Stop! Put your hands behind your back.
I'm letting you know I did nothing wrong. So
Yes.
why are you doing
I told you to stop walking away from me.
That's not a crime.
Yeah, put him on the phone.
911, what's the location of the emergency?
My baby dad has been stalking me for like a whole week, and now he's at my job and he's being psychotic, telling me he's threatening my coworkers that I work with and everything, and I just don't know what to do. I think he's been drinking, and he is sitting on my coworker's vehicle threatening me, so I just drove away, but I'm still in the parking lot.
When you said he was threatening you, what was he saying?
He's saying he's about to hurt me, and I don't even know what he's saying. He's been threatening me for literally all week, and he's been stalking me at work all day.
(911) Where's your emergency?
Yes, can I get a cruiser up here? Whatever, bro. Let me get can I get a unit sent up here to AutoZone 3833 West Broad Street? We got an individual that refuses to leave the store, and he's becoming violent.
Okay, what's it look like?
White, blue cap, black hoodie with a champion on it.
911, what is the location of your emergency? Hello?
You come on.
This is 911, do you have an
Please,
emergency?
can y'all get here, please?
No, I'm not the government to get the cops up here.
I'm
The officers are on their way.
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Calvin.
Calvin? Alright. Is someone in here causing a scene?
Yeah, some dude was.
Hooping and hollering?
I'm sure that's friendly.
Who called?
I did. I called two
Okay.
times.
What's going on?
My baby dad has been stalking me for months, and he keeps coming to my job threatening me. He came to my job earlier today, told me to move my car, or he was going to come in here and do all
Is
this
he wearing the hoodie with the pants?
Yes. And
That's him.
He's walking away. Just hang tight for us.
Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna go to the fucking ground.
Am I?
Go to the ground.
Stop. I'm on. Stop.
Stop! 190, you want to get us some cars here? Did you guys call? No? Huh? What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Calvin.
Calvin? Alright, cool. Was someone in here causing a scene?
Yeah, some dude was.
Hooping and hollering? Yeah. Hey, come here. Don't walk away from me.
Are you going to come in here and do all
Is he wearing the hoodie with the pants?
Yes. And
That's him. He's walking away. Yeah. Hey, stop. Dude, you're gonna get fucking tased. Huh? Put out your cigarette. Put out your cigarette.
No, sir.
Put out your cigarette. You're going in handcuffs.
I'm a free citizen.
Put your hands behind your back.
Don't put your hands
Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna go to the fucking ground.
I'm gonna clinch.
Go to the ground.
Stop.
Bro? 191, get us some cars here.
I'm letting you know.
Stop! Put your hands behind your back.
I'm letting you know I did nothing wrong. So
Yes.
why are you doing
I told you to stop walking away from me.
That's not a crime.
Yeah, put him on his stomach. Push him
That's not
towards
a
me.
crime.
Go on your stomach.
Shoot me. We're not doing that shit, dude.
Go
Stop.
on your stomach.
No, shoot me. We're not shooting.
We can just hold him.
You have to. No, we don't. You want me on my stomach? Shoot me. Why are you making a thing out of it, man? Because I'll make you. I will make you. We're on the way. Why are you doing this?
191, you got cars coming?
Why are you doing this? Give me a reason. Let go of me. Let go of me. Yeah, because you got a hold of me. So let go of me and give me a reason.
Stop.
Let go of me and give me a reason. Let go of me and give me a reason.
Get on your stomach and I'll explain
I
it.
don't have to. I am a fucking free citizen.
No, get on your stomach.
No.
You're under arrest.
I'm not.
You are under arrest.
Why?
At this point, for
You're under arrest.
I ain't resisting arrest.
You lied to me about who you are and now you're obstructing.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Okay, I don't got to give you who I am.
Yes, you do.
Says who?
I do.
Who are you? You ain't the Constitution. Fuck you.
You guys good?
Who are you?
We need to get him adjusted.
Yeah, go. Put your hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back.
No.
Put him flat. Put him flat. Get back.
1512 Victor Adams to 191.
Give me your wrist. Give me your wrist.
I've got this left arm pretty good.
Do you got that left arm print pretty good? Do you? Because you feel kind of fucking weak.
I don't have the arm. Hang on.
I'll try filming back.
Then give me a reason!
Put your hand
Give me a
behind your
reason!
fucking back.
Give me a reason!
One on back videos there.
Why is he tasing me?
Put your hand behind your fucking back.
Why is he tasing me? Tell me. Tell me what I did. Tell me. Tell me what I did. That's all I wanted to know. This is the problem with you guys.
If a cop tells you to fucking do
That don't
something,
mean you have to fucking
listen.
No, you're just another person, dog. You uphold the law, yeah. But you gotta give me the fucking law that I broke.
Got it?
So tell me what it is. Tell me what I did. Can you do that? Can you tell me what I did? You look like Sergeant. You look like Sergeant. What did I do?
We'll figure that out, boss.
I didn't do that.
Okay.
So why
You
am I
see the
getting this
hobble?
treatment?
I'm sorry?
I said I didn't do that, so why am I getting this treatment? Wrongful arrest?
Well, we'll figure
What
that
else?
out, boss. Okay?
What else?
And I told you
Assault?
about your under release at minimum for obstructing.
No, you guys are dead ass wrong. You guys are dead ass wrong right now and you know it. Look at your faces.
That's probably mine.
Who got my feet? Will you let go of my feet, please? I was wrong.
Nope. You guys alright?
I'm telling you, if you
Yeah,
carry
it's
me, I'm
level
gonna give you
one
hell. Let me walk. Let me fucking walk. Yeah, I'm being so nice to y'all are just bitches.
It's going
Probably sideways.
Pick me up.
Let's go the other way.
You want me to get on myself? Yes, I can get on myself.
Which side do you want to roll on? Let's just get him this way. Run his butt that way.
I got the one up here, yeah.
You did this.
No, perfect.
Yes, you did.
Looks like you did it.
Yeah.
No.
Maybe be a grown man next time, huh?
Hit the wagon.
Yeah.
Whenever you're getting me, you'll learn who I am. That's why I'm a nice guy. Talk to me.
Here,
So meet on the left side, the right side. Slide
Yeah.
up in there.
Here.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Thank you, sir. You good? Yeah. I'm fine. We just kind of each had an arm. I was like, you're going to go to the ground. And he's like, all right. And I doubled. I got up one leg, I think.
Yeah, you got him. We got him down.
Yeah.
Maybe?
Maybe he's.
I don't agree.
Yeah, he's. But we walked up and I said,
minimum he's code.
I said, hey man, was someone causing a scene in here? And he's
Somebody,
like,
I think, level 3. I don't know who it was.
somebody
I
had a
heard a
taser.
taser.
I heard a
It
taser
wasn't
sparking
weird.
at
Somebody
least.
tased him. Yeah, at least sparked it or tased him in the butt.
I should have leveled for him, but
I mean,
I just had his wrist, and I was like, I have his wrist. That's all that matters right now. So
somebody at least sparked the taser.
where's
I don't know who it was. That's the highest I saw. It was level 3.
where's victim? Is someone talking to victim right now?
Victim's over there.
That's his topic.
Okay.
I don't know who that was.
I don't
even know if it was us. The county was here too.
It might have been. I don't know.
Actually,
Still standing.
I saw a black taser, so that would make some sense.
Any Columbus guys, girls, have a level 3.
So it came in as a 17. He's standing out front smoking a cigarette with another dude. I said, hey, did you guys call any? They're both like, no. I was like, is someone in there causing a scene? And they're like, no. So we walk in and I had a feeling he was probably like not telling the truth. Yeah. And we walk in and she's like, oh, he's outside. And I was like, wearing the pants? She said, yep. So I turn around, walk out here, and he's already towards the end here. And I was like, hey, dude, stop. And then,
I can't take my dogs anywhere. Like, why would you leave the dogs in the house in the cold?
So you have 3 kids together.
We was together for 9 years, and then I left him.
When'd you leave him?
June.
June?
This year.
Has he been kind of crazy like this the whole time, or
Yeah,
has it
the
gotten
whole
worse?
time. It got a little better, and then it got worse, and then it's just been like a constant thing. Like I try to like keep peace. I say like, okay, like I'm do what he tells me to do, so that he doesn't like do this, you know. I just don't know. But
So what you say came up here today? Something about your car. That's as far as we got.
he was sitting on my coworker's car because he thinks me and him are together. We're not. It's my friend. He has a whole girlfriend and everything. Like he thinks that I can't have. He hates everybody that I work with. He's just a narcissist. So it's like any person that I'm around at work, he don't like them. So he comes here and he threatens me at my job where I have to take care of my kids because he does not help me with anything.
Okay. So what did he say today to you?
I don't know. They probably don't want to go too far up. There might be someone in there. I'm gonna be honest.
I'm reading the days.
But
What did he say today to you?
so today he says to move my car or I'm not gonna like what happens. Then he goes inside. I said, well, he wanted me to come talk to him. I said, Jay, I'm not coming to talk to you because I don't feel comfortable talking to you. You're drunk and I don't trust you. And so he says, fine. Then I'm gonna go inside. And I say, okay, do what you feel is necessary. So I go and I park my car because he's inside, and I go inside and he's in the office in front of Tony, and I'm like, I get in between them and I'm like, Jay, go, like please just go, because he's like, come outside right now. And I'm like, okay. So then I'm like trying to get in between them, and he like throws me to the side, and then I think he slaps Tony across the face because his glasses was on the thing, and then he throws the cash that Tony was trying to get to the safe. So then he goes outside, and I'm trying to call you guys again. I don't know. I just don't know. I can't think right now. He's been threatening me. I
Okay,
probably
when
find
you say he's been threatening, I need some sort of specific. Okay. What was said today as far as he's threatening?
today, I don't know. It's been a long day. I've been up since 6 o'clock this morning. I don't know. I just. It's just an everyday thing, honestly. So I don't really know what he said today. It's just an everyday thing. It's always something new every day.
Were any of your coworkers in there when he came in that are standing right there?
Sandra, she pushed her too.
Okay, do you have your...
Yeah, it's in my car.
That's okay.
Candace.